welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I've come up with my top 7 face pack recommendation. Basically, I'm a skincare junkie. I love DIYs. But sometimes even I'm lazy, so I go with the ready-made stuff. In long run, I have tried so many products. Today I've come up with my top 7 recommendations. So all these products I have genuinely tried for a long time, and I'm gonna give my review to you guys so that it will be helpful for few people. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Good Vibes Papaya Glows face mask. Such an amazing face mask, high rated face mask of this brand. This costs 50 grams, 158 rupees current price. This is available in Purple app. So basically, if you are suffering from pigmentation and blemishes, this is a face mask you're supposed to use. I have tried this more than 6 months. I'm just buying this back to back. I love this face mask so much. This smells amazing good. And one more thing, whenever I'm going to attend a party or event, before applying makeup, I used to apply this face mask. Within 10 minutes, basically it's written, you have to massage it on your skin and leave it for just 10 minutes. Once you remove, you will get that glowing face. So makeup will also apply flawlessly. So I love this product, my most recommended product. So yeah, our second product is from Plum Glow Gator Face Mask. Last week I made a video for working men and women skincare routine. In that video I have used this product. If you don't have much time, but still if you want to have a brightened and glowing complexion, try to buy this product. Trust me, from the first use, you will see that your skin is transforming, getting brightened and glowing. In a long run, your skin complexion gets better and your skin texture will definitely get better. The smell's amazing and it costs rupees 490 for 60 grams. I used to buy this from Nykaa or Amazon whenever there is a sale. This product can be used by both men and women. So, very nice product. Our third product is Raga D-Tan Tan Removal Cream. I have made an exclusive video for this product, guys. Go please check out. If you are a bride, if your wedding is coming in another few months, please go buy this product. You will never regret. In all beauty parlors, I have made my research. They are using this particular D-Tan product, guys. What it does is it gives that radiant skin. It removes the tan being settled for such a long time. The kojic and milk do magic to your skin. You have to use this once in 15 days. Religiously. Take at least 3 months before wedding and try to use this product. On your big day, you will have a clear, glowing, radiant skin. Trust me and buy this. This is actually 500 gram, 850 rupees, and this is available at Amazon. You can go check out. So brides, go buy this. Our fourth product is Lotus Clay White Black Clay Skin Whitening Face Pack. This is for all skin type. If you are a person, you're driving two-wheeler most of the time, try to buy this product. This is called kaolin and bentonite clay and licorice. What they do is they detox your skin and remove the impurities being settled in your pores for such a long time. So try to use this once or twice in a week. When you're driving two-wheeler, you will tend to go in a very bad pollution. So it helps in clearing your skin. You will like this product so much. If you try this, don't forget to put it in the comment box. I'll be so happy to read your comment. So yeah, such a trusted brand, Lotus, and it's cheap too. 60 grams for 190 rupees. This will come for minimum of 1 month. One thing I want to say, let it be any skincare product, try to buy a smaller package, for example 50 or 60 grams, not more than that. Please do not store your skincare product for a long time, because our climatic condition is not that great. They will spoil our skincare product. So try to buy a small package. Once you're done with the package, go buy a new thing. That's what I do, so I'm telling you guys. So yeah, product is Himalaya Neem Pack Normal to Oily Skin. This is my default grocery list product. I buy this every month. I think I'm using this from 3 to 5 years from now. Yeah, 3 to 5 years. Now I love this product so much. Whenever I have my periods, I break out and I get acne, I go to this product. If you're a teenager or if you get so many acnes, please use this product whenever you're having your acne or whenever your periods is approaching. Try to apply, it will try to prevent and control acne for sure. It's very cheap also. 50 grams I think is 70 rupees. This is Himalayas hit product. So yeah. This is Physiform charcoal peel off mask. I have used Wow charcoal peel off mask. I have used VLCC peel off mask, many peel off mask. I think this is my favorite now. This is a brand from Canada, Physiform. Such a nice charcoal face mask. It removes that blackhead, whitehead completely. If you are having too much of blackhead, I think it will take some time, but for me it removes instantly. I'm happy with this product. The smell is really good. What I like about this product is like this has got charcoal along with this multani mitti turmeric. So what it does, like, it not only removes the dead skin, after removing the mask it gives that glowing and radiant effect. So I think none of the charcoal face mask does that, but this product do that work. So I like this product so much. Peel off mask, it doesn't pain much whenever I peel it off, so that's why I like this product. This is Physiform. Physiform sounds new, but they have so many products. You can trust me and buy. This is 100 grams, rupees 350. Our last product, Everyuth tan removal pack. Few months back we went for anniversary vacation. It was a long vacation. You guys know whenever we go for vacation we come back with a tan skin. So what I did is like I carried this with me to my vacation. I was using this every alternative days. What it does, like, it helps in removing the tan buildup. So I came back to India with very less tan. So that's a great thing. And again, if you are a person who drives two-wheeler most of the time, I will suggest you to use this every alternative nights, especially in summer. It will seriously remove your tan, guys. You don't have to worry. And it's mentioned visible results from first use. Trust me, you will see the result from first use. And this is for rupees 99, 50 grams. You will get this in all the stores, available everywhere in the market. So yeah, I'll be very happy if this video helped even a few. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please consider subscribing and stay connected by clicking that bell button. So until next time, stay gorgeous. See you soon. Bye bye.